Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log in into your Facebook Manager, which is also known as business.facebook.com. And business suite, a lot of names, but the theme is uh, common here. So come on the browser here, Chrome. Ignore this, and you have to write here business. Here, very first business dot business dot Facebook uh, facebook.com. In this sense, you have to click on enter on your keyboard. So it says that your site cannot be reached. I think maybe some internet connection, but internet connection is good. You have to make it reload. Okay, sorry, spelling was not good. We have to go to this FACE. I write here D. Sorry. FACE. Yes. Click on this. It will automatically go into your Facebook Manager. So mainly, it is linked with your Facebook page, and then indirectly, it is also linked with your Instagram account. Okay. So this was the way how to log in into your Facebook Manager, and further I will make videos how to do different settings here, how to manage the settings, how to manage planner and content, whatever. Hope you find it helpful, beneficial, and subscribers follow for more. If any query, you can ask in the comment section. Very thankful to you.